Well, you know, you really hate it when that little bit of pink shows up on the weather maps this time of year.
Yes.
But it's just a little bit.
Okay.
And it's far
away.
Well, not far away. It's not far enough away.
Yeah.
It looks like central Georgia may see some freezing precipitation. I'm drawing a line from Macon to Augusta. That could clip our northern counties. Two things. Number one, it's 40 hours away. Number two, it doesn't look like much moisture at all. So let's not get all crazy about it just yet. Besides, I'll go buy bread and milk on my way home and I'll be just fine. Check this, the clouds that we see. And here's where the next area of precipitation is coming from and what we're concerned about. It's a large storm across the Rockies, but on the right edge over Wichita, Kansas, you see that little lobe that's starting to eject and following the northwesterly flow. And it will set itself up with some rain and freezing precipitation come right across Georgia. Eventually will be just on our doorstep to the north. By the time it gets here, it will be in the form of rain, as we showed you earlier. We have clear skies tonight, nothing to worry about. Not as cold as last night, 45 degrees. Relative humidity at 74% and winds currently calm. We made it up to 58 here on Chatham Parkway in the west side of Savannah. The winds are light at this hour. That's good. No wind chills really to worry about, though. On the beaches, still pretty strong. Beaufort with a southwest breeze currently at 7 and no visibility problems for tonight. We're in the good category again, so don't worry about that first thing in the morning. Do watch for morning winds, though. This is tomorrow morning, 7 o'clock, according to Future Max. Could have some coastal winds. Small craft advisory for that reason has been issued, but things settle down as we go through the day. Thursday, there's the center of the storm Thursday night, working its way farther to the east on Friday, so we'll be in good shape. High pressure, though, with us tonight. High pressure exiting off into the Atlantic. Here's the next storm. The core will be much farther to the north, and this trailing front is going to have trouble picking up some Gulf moisture, eventually plugging into Atlantic moisture. So that's why I say there may not be a great risk here, but we need to be aware of that. Just a little bit of ice could cause a lot of problems. For tonight, low tide 11:46, high tide 5:57, your sunrise 7:23 in the morning. Full wolf moon coming up Saturday night. We'll look forward to that. And mariners, with those gusty winds along coastal areas, small craft advisory for tomorrow. West winds at 15 to 25 knots. Seas are at 4 to 6 feet. Okay, the first alert live Doppler Max 11 forecast for tonight has some high clouds, especially inland. Low of 44 tonight, southwest breeze. Wind chill will be in the mid-30s. Not as cold as last night, but still chilly. 40 tonight, 62 for tomorrow, mostly sunny skies. No problems Thursday, but Friday may have the risk with just a 20% chance of precipitation. It's a cool start. Look, we're 58 later in the day. It just is going to be too warm, and what little moisture falls here will be rain. 44 tomorrow night. 56 on Saturday with mostly sunny skies. Sunday's dry, 54. Look at that chilly start to start Sunday. Then a lovely warming trend up to the 70s by midweek next week with our next chance of precipitation. 40 tonight, mostly sunny, 62 for tomorrow. And looking ahead to the weekend, we got the Bluffton Rotary Oyster Roast. We've got the Hilton Head Island Uncorking the Festival. That's a lot of fun. Beach House at 6 o'clock. Whatever you got planned for the weekend should be in good shape. Follow us on Twitter at Big John Weather. I got Pat here for you tomorrow night at 11. Have a great night tonight.
Thanks a lot, John.
Well,